So we have a question here. What's up, everybody? How you doing, man? Cartesian plane, right? So this is a Cartesian plane, and then we have a B. B is 3 and 2. 3 and 2 is somewhere here. Let's say 1, 2, and 3, and 2 is 1 and 2. So 3 and 2 is here. So this is B. 3 and 2. This is our coordinate B. Now we go, and then we got C. So C is down. Shows my pole. This is C, my pole. C 3 and 2. So this is coordinate C. So now B is somewhere there on top. B on top. So we don't know where it is. So C is this one. And they got 0 and 4. X is 0. And Y equal to 4. Where is X? Okay, so look. This is 1, this is 2. So 3 and 4. So coordinate M is 0 and 4. Means this is M here. 0 and 4 this one. This is coordinate M. So this triangle is like this. This is 0 and 4. Look. X equal to 0. And Y equals 4. A we don't know. So we don't know A. So we don't know coordinate A. But it comes all the way to B. But look, man. It's a lot of common sense here. Just by looking, excuse me, just by looking, we know if this is 3, this coordinate must be the same as this one 3, because the value of X in the vertical has to be the same. So in coordinate B, we know the value of X at B, but for Y, we don't know. See, so now let's see what is the coordinate of A. So now look, this is gonna be 3, and if this is the midpoint, we can get the coordinate of A. Very easy. Now let's apply the coordinate midpoint formula. So midpoint say whenever you want to get the midpoint, means X at coordinate of M, means X at here. You always have to ask, take the X at this point and X at this point, add them, divide by 2 to get it at the middle. So X at A, that's how you get midpoint. If you take this X at here and X at here, divide by 2, we're always going to get 0. That's how you get the midpoint. So how are we going to say? You say X at A plus X at C. If you divide by 2, you're going to get your midpoint. See? So that's how you get the midpoint formula, because they give us this coordinate and that one, and this is the midpoint. You know, middle point means you have a line, this is the middle. So this is A, B, and C. So if this is the middle, means if I take X at A plus X at C over 2, is going to give me X at B. This is going to give me X at B. And if I take Y at A plus Y at C divided by 2, this is going to give me Y at B. So that's what I did here. Take X at A plus X at C divided by 2 is going to give me the middle point. How did I know that? The question said there, point M is the middle point. Midpoint is the midpoint of AC. Now, so if Y at M, if I want to get Y at the middle point, equal to Y at A plus Y at C over 2. So let's plug it in. So what is X at M? X at M we have equal to 0. So for this case here, we're going to say 0 equal X at A. What is X at A? X at A we don't know. So X at A we don't know, plus X at C. X of C we have, which equal to 3. So we're going to say this equal to 3, and then we divide it equal to 2. So what we're going to do is say over 1, and then I'm going to cross multiplication. So 1 times X at A is just X at A. 1 times 3 plus 3 equal 2 times 0 equal to, means this and this and this and this. So 1 times X is X at A, 1 times 3, 3, and then 0 times 2 equal to 0. 0 times 2 equal to 0. So we say X at A equal to 3 is going to go over, it's going to become negative 3. Now we come for this one. So for this one here, we say Y at M. Do you know Y at M? Yes, we know 4 equal to. So 4 equal to Y at A. What is Y at A? I don't know Y at A. Plus Y at C. Do you know Y at C? Yes, equal to 2 over 2. So now I can get Y at A. So I'm going to say over 1, and then I'm going to cross multiplication. 1 times Y at A, Y at A equal 1 times all this group. 1 times Y at A plus 1 times 2 equal to 2, and then 2 times 4 equal to 8. So these two go over. So Y at A equal to 8 minus 2 equal to negative 6. So point A, coordinate of A, means I have an X at A and Y at A. X at A and Y at A. Which you know now, coordinate of A, X at A equal to negative 3, and Y at A equal to negative 6, negative 6. So point A we have. So this coordinate of A now we have x equal to negative 3 and y equal to negative 6. So now quickly, remember, whenever you have a horizontal line, the value of y always the same. Like if you have a line like this, and this is equal to 7, let's say this is equal to 7, means if this is negative 3, it's gonna be negative 3 and 7. If this coordinate, excuse me, this, let me say this. If you have a Cartesian plane, so we know here, whenever you have a horizontal line, the value of y is gonna be the same. So since this is a horizontal line, means the value of y, means this value of y always gotta be the same. So this is gonna be negative 6. So you have a b also, and you have a. So a we have, and b we have. So since you have a and b, now we go, so the a seems to be true in the option there, but a b is not true in the options, because the option a, they give us equal to negative 3 and negative 6, which equal to negative 3. It has to be positive 6. I made a mistake. This is not negative 6, because if you take these two over, it's going to be 8 minus 2 equal to positive 6, positive 6, positive 6, positive 6. Cool. So this is just a positive 6, just a 6. Let's say 6. So this is 6. So a equal to negative 3 and 6. Does it make sense? It makes sense, because first, even by looking, this it cannot be 4, and then when you go up, you get 6. Value of y is not true. So this is going to be equal to 6a, and coordinate of b be equal to 3 and 6. Now, so in the option there, only a for now is okay, but a b is not okay. So now we go for c. They want us to find the distance of AC. Distance of AC, very easy. So this is how you're going to calculate the distance of AC. So first and foremost, we're going to write the formula here. The distance of AC, distance of A to C equal to, I'm going to say square root. So we're going to say x at A minus x at C bracket square plus, now we can say plus and say y at A minus y at C bracket square. Sometimes they use only 1 minus y2, but I prefer to allocate the exactly coordinate. That's why I say x at A minus x at C bracket square plus y at A minus y at C bracket square. Now we go. So we're going to say now, let's plug it in. So this distance equal to square root y at A. What is a y at A? Equal to 6. 6 minus y at C equal to 2 bracket square plus y at A. Y at A. No, I made a mistake. My apology. So we're going to say here x at A equal to negative 3 minus x at C equal to 3 bracket square, and then we plus y at A equal to 6, y at C equal to 2 square. So now what we're going to get here, we say distance AC equal to negative 3 minus 3 equal to negative 6 square. Negative 6 square equal to, because negative 6 square plus 6 minus 2 equal to 4 square. Now we have a square root. So negative 6 square equal to 36 plus 16. So 36 plus 16 equal to square root of 52. So this is going to give us square root of 52 units. So now in the option, it's almost, it look like the way how it's given. So now let's take that option and try to simplify. See, let's take the option, try to simplify. So what is the option? Our option then equation, say they give us distance equal to square root, and they give us 2 is outside, we got 2 outside, and then we have a 3 square. So what is 3 square? 3 square means 9 plus, and they give you 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 equal to negative 2, and then when you square negative 2 you get 4, because square of negative 2 equal to 4. So I can just write 4 straight away here. So I'm going to have a 4 here, So now 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So here I'm going to have a 2 square root of 13. So we want to see if this is the same as this one. So now I'm going to do is the same. How do I know the same? Look, square root of 52, right? So I'm going to take the square root of 52, which I just got it, and see if it's same as this answer here. So square root of 52, if I take 52, let me take it aside. So look, this is 52, right? So 52 square root, meaning this equal to 4 times 4 times 13. But I can separate it, is acceptable. In mathematics, if you have a square root of the two number, I could say square root of 4 times square root of 13. Square root of 4 equal to 2, and they have a 13. So now it's true, this and this is the same. So only A and C. So for this question, our option 5 is correct. So I'm going to go for option 5, A and C only. So it's A and C only. That's going to be my option. Thanks a lot. Peace. Peace. Thank you.
More ring for my queen. You gon' wake me till Jesus come. Why when I talk? Pocket full floss, money, honey. Forget about Suzanne.
So since we don't have all the equipment like cameras and all this stuff, so just use one of the webcam from my computer. So we're gonna start with these tools and give people knowledge, because that's how they say, start with what you have, and then from there you're gonna add value. You're gonna add value, and things gonna propagate it, and just me, and things gonna improve slowly, because you can't reach down top before start from the bottom. Otherwise, then you're gonna break and start from bottom.